All right, this will be the elevator at Macy's, Marley Station Mall, Glen, Burnie, Maryland. We've got a Westinghouse. Dinner bell. This is a pretty nice Macy's. If I remember correctly, this is the duplicate to the Owings Mills store. Let's get a cab view on the way in. Pretty nice elevator. There's your Westinghouse airlock. Go down to 1. Go to 3. Pretty generic Epco Circle Line. Okay, we'll end on 2. Door closed does not work. That's a Schindler tag. This is a pretty nice elevator. Reminds me of Ross Parks before they disabled the dinner bell on that. All right, we'll wrap it up here. And I gotta keep talking so I don't get copyright claimed. There it goes. And stop it.